Today is an ABC 17 Storm Track weather alert day. Over the next couple of hours, we're recording this at about 5:30. We do expect thunderstorms to develop and become strong to severe between about 6 p.m. and midnight. And really, it's kind of a widespread risk, at least here in mid-Missouri, because you just take a look at this map. The level 2 out of 5 risk encompasses anyone from Brunswick to Marshall, Sedalia, California, Columbia, Jefferson City, Osage Beach, Lake of the Ozarks, and this extends towards Rolla and Owensville, who will likely be the last communities to see these storms as they push off towards the southeast tonight. Now, it's not just severe storms that we're tracking potential for. We will have the chance for some hail and damaging wind with these storms. We're also concerned with flooding with these storms, and that may extend past this midnight time frame. The potential for a tornado is there, but it's very low. We'll be watching for that along the leading edge of these storms later on tonight. Overnight, that flooding risk, really highlighting our northeasternmost counties, but this is going to expand, I expect, as we see this move off towards St. Louis. So the greatest risk for flooding going to be really kind of the center of this red swath. And if you're headed to St. Louis tonight, especially south of the St. Louis metro, that's where we expect the greatest impact from flooding. Take a look at what models are projecting here. And this is going to wiggle back and forth a little bit throughout the evening, but overall we're expecting a swath of some heavy rain between late tonight and 5 a.m. tomorrow to focus again along our eastern counties and then travel in just south of the St. Louis metro. Of course, St. Louis itself proper there included in that band of anywhere between 1 to 3 inches. We could see locally more anywhere near the center of that band. So flooding certainly a concern for our counties here. We have Boone County over towards Audrain, Callaway, Montgomery County, and then south to Phelps and Pulaski, of course, including Miller, but excluding Cole County. Jefferson City, we're going to keep that really mostly just towards the east of you on the other side of the river. This is an aerial flood watch through about 10 a.m. tomorrow. This is where we expect the greatest concern from flooding. So let's run through this on our future track. You can see storms popping up between that 6 to 8 o'clock time frame. And this is where we'll have that potential for a strong to severe storm before this all kind of congeals into a line and brings, again, more flooding concern for areas again, from our northeastern and eastern counties all the way into St. Louis. And again, you're seeing that trend mostly south of St. Louis. So again, that's where we're expecting kind of our greatest impacts with this rain overnight tonight into tomorrow. By the time we get to the sunrise time frame here in mid-Missouri, about 6 o'clock, we're dealing with a few lingering showers, maybe a rumble of thunder or two, but overall that activity is drying up by mid-morning. We expect a drier day tomorrow. So tonight, that's our best chance for rain. And then tomorrow we'll see that start to taper off. And that means, well, we've got more sunshine, but also higher temperatures. It's going to be a warmer day tomorrow. We'll reach near 90 in Columbia, a little bit warmer than that to the south, especially near the Lake of the Ozarks. Keep in mind, dew points are really high. It's likely to feel hot Thursday afternoon, feeling like close to triple digits for some. Heading into the weekend, we'll keep daily chances for rain, but very low chances for rain in the forecast and more mild air. Temperatures in the 80s are on the way for next week.